be doing a lip smacker unboxing. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing these lip smackers. I'm really excited to see what they smell like. So without further ado, let's just start with today's video. We are going to be unboxing the new lip smacker Best Flavor Forever Days of the Week School Edition. So what's really awesome about this is that on the back there's a magnetic strip. So when you unbox this, there's two stickers here, and if you carefully just peel them, this part comes right off, and you could always put it back on if you want to, but this can easily just hang in your locker if you want to. And I just think it's so cute and adorable, especially with all the decor. It seems like they put a lot of time and effort to all this decor look. It's so pretty. So we're just gonna open this up. Okay, so the first one we have here is Memory Monday Mango Twist. So this one is gonna be in some orange packaging, and I think that this looks like a really fun collection, you guys. I don't know about you, but I'm really excited to try these out. Oh wow, okay, so if you guys really like mangoes, this literally smells almost spot on to a mango. I actually really enjoy this one. I think this one's a super nice fruity mango scent. Up next we have Tuesday Turn Up Tropical Punch, and this one is pink on the inside, matches the sticker just like the mango one did. And this one kind of smells like a summery fruit scent. It smells really nice. I really enjoy this one. Okay, up next we have Wear Pink Wednesday Berry Twist. Okay, I was really surprised opening this one because the actual product is blue, you guys. I was so surprised when I opened this up that it was blue, but it smells really good. It smells like berries. I would say it smells kind of maybe a vanilla berry scent, or a cotton candy blue raspberry type of scent. That's how I would describe it, but it smells really good. I was just so surprised that the color was blue inside the pink one. Up next we have Throwback Thursday Banana Split. This is the one I'm most excited to try, you guys. I'm so excited. What I have to say about this one is just wow, this smells exactly like a banana. I would say a banana on top of some vanilla ice cream. You know what? I'm just kidding. I take it back. It smells like a banana shake. So some vanilla ice cream mixed with a banana and some milk to make the banana milkshake. That's what it smells like to me, is an actual banana milkshake. My favorite place to get banana milkshakes from is actually Sonic. They are literally so amazing and so good. Yeah, this one is probably going to be my favorite. I'm super impressed with this one. Lip smacker, you did not let me down. Up next we have a Flashback Friday Kiwi Berry, and this one has green inside. Ooh, this smells really nice. I definitely smell kiwi, and I definitely smell berries in here. Okay, you guys, so I have to say, overall, I'm really impressed with this, you guys. All of these smelled exactly like what the label said that they would smell like. My favorite is definitely the banana. I would say second place would be the Wear Pink Wednesday one, the Berry Twist. Third place, oh, that's really hard. Third place, I would say the mango one, and then tropical, and then kiwi. But I'm really obsessed with this one right here, you guys. This is the banana split one. It is so good. Again, I did get this at Target for about $7 or $8. Not too bad of a deal if you guys are into fun scented lip balms. Again, what's cool about this one is because they have the magnetic strips. You can easily stick this on the inside of your locker if you want, which I think is super cool and super fun. And I think that they did just an all-around great job with this one, and I'm highly impressed. Big thumbs up. I'd give this a solid 10 out of 10 pack. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which one you think that your guys' favorite might be. I'd really love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!